Click on the link below to get price. The Unlimited Deep Breath Gongs are an impressive addition to any sound therapy or meditation practice. Upon unboxing, the quality of the craftsmanship is immediately evident. Made from durable materials, the gongs have a polished finish that not only enhances their aesthetic appeal but also contributes to their rich sound quality. One of the standout features of these gongs is their sustain. When struck with the included mallet, the sound resonates beautifully, filling the room with deep, rich tones that linger in the air. This sustained sound is ideal for meditation, yoga sessions, or any setting where a calming atmosphere is desired. The gongs effectively create a peaceful soundscape, making them perfect for practitioners and instructors alike. The inclusion of a hanging string is a thoughtful touch, allowing users to easily display the gong in a desired location. This feature also opens up possibilities for experimenting with different heights and placements to achieve varying sound effects. Whether hanging in a studio or as a decor piece in a living room, the gongs can fit seamlessly into any environment. Another highlight is the versatility of the gongs. They can be used for personal relaxation, sound healing sessions, or even as part of a performance. Their ability to blend well with other instruments enhances the overall auditory experience, making them a valuable asset for musicians and sound therapists. While the gongs are sturdy, it's worth noting that they require careful handling to maintain their pristine condition. However, with proper care, they can last a lifetime and continue to provide an enriching sound experience. In conclusion, the Unlimited Deep Breath Gongs are an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their sound therapy toolkit. Their exceptional sustain, combined with thoughtful design elements like the hanging string and included mallet, make them a standout choice. For those seeking a deep, resonant sound and a beautiful visual element, these gongs are certainly worth considering.